And it's Steve from Estate Sale once again, coming to you live from the wonderful community of Warman's Mill in Frederick, Maryland. It's actually just to the south side of Walkersville, right off of Route 26. But look up Frederick Estate Sales under estatesales.net and you'll get the exact address. This is a full house estate sale, full with really, really gorgeous things. This beautiful buffet is only $5.75. It's a classic. You have leaded glass, crystal, and decor. Some really pretty furniture. This is a Thomasville table. Give you a better shot of that. And a Thomasville hutch. Everything you see in this video will be for sale. It's a 4-day sale. It's a big sale. That's why we're doing it for 4 days. Tons of stuff here. I'm trying to give you a good overview. Royal Albert china. Okay, you blue plate people, come on in. Williams and Sonoma is highly represented here. This is called Romantic. Beautiful pieces. Pretty walnut table is for sale with a drop leaf. The artwork. Here's a Kincaid. Signed and numbered. Tons of decor. Beautiful things. Take another walk through to the family room this time. Oh, how about this great English pine company armoire? It's beautiful. Hand painted. It's beautiful. Great price on that too. Fantastic. Knew they were probably $1,200. I think we're selling them for $275. Let's walk into the family room. Love this pine bench. It's got a secret compartment in it and everything. Large wall unit. Dresser. As usual, you can make an offer on things that we haven't priced because there's so many little things here, we really couldn't price them. We have books. We have old albums. Look at these things. Josh White, Carl Sandburg, Calypsos, Burl Ives. Look how young Burl Ives is. Lead Belly. Leather recliner. Love that leather bag there. I think Crocodile Dundee should use that one. Everything you see in this video is for sale. Starting 10 a.m. on the 25th. First come, first served. A lot of one-of-a-kind things here. These beautiful plates. Floral pattern chairs. Nice antique book, several antique bookcases. Love that lamp. Some kind of a roadster vehicle there. And some electronics. Give you a better view of that big hutch. And in the kitchen we have kitchen goods. Very wide selection. There's a KitchenAid mixer. That's a great coffee maker. Everything you see in this video is for sale. Now we're in the eat-in kitchen right behind the kitchen proper. Beautiful set is for sale. How about this roll-top desk? Isn't that cute? me see if I can make it roll for you. Yep, it rolls. That's a pretty piece. Get you a better look at some of the chairs and some of the accessories. Okay, let's run into the garage really quick. Everything you see in this video is for sale. A lot of these are in big lots, priced by the box or by the batch because there's so much here. If you need office supplies of any kind, we have the ultimate collection of that. Between this and the office upstairs, we've got the ultimate collection of office stuff. Like that wrench set. A plethora of cleaning instruments. Most of the things in the garage are make us an offer, especially the chemicals. But if you need any kind of paint or bug killer or motor oil, we've got it. Luggage. The light bulbs. This is the bathroom on the main floor. That mirror is for sale, as is this cabinet, hand painted. Pretty cabinet. Coming up the stairs, I'm going to show you some of the great artwork. This is the stairwell. Pretty floral painting. And a quilt. At the top of the stairs is this slant front desk and this really interesting lamp, along with this beautiful beach scene. And this handmade walnut bench. Men's clothing at size 2X and X. Two beautiful 4-poster beds here. By the mattress, by the bed, give you the mattress and the box spring, like it says here. And books are everywhere. It's a beautiful chair too. Books, 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 books. Crystal lamp. Tilting mirror, oval. Men's fashions, storage containers. Again, if you need men's clothing, there's a lot of it here. I like that jacket. And did we say office supplies? Here you go. These are my favorite bookends. Check this out. For you investor types. Beautiful office desk, $275, in great condition. It's a little messy, but that's okay. The pens are for sale too. And the chairs. A lot of miscellaneous stuff here. You talk about office supplies. Wow. Bookcases, $135, really high quality wood solid. You need tape, you need pens, you need paper. It's all here somewhere. This computer desk is for sale. Computer desk with hutch, I should say. Barrister bookcase, pretty piece. Still in the office, taking the other angle. There's an archival ink printer by Epson, in great shape, along with some cartridges, and a like new, never used Brother printer for only $70. File cabinets are for sale too. Look at all that stuff. It's like being in a Staples store. This is the back bedroom. That ladder is for sale, and it folds up. This 4-poster bed is for sale. It does not fold up. It's really pretty. Cabinetry, one pretty lamp, some more artwork. Like I said, office supplies, office supplies. More miscellaneous stuff than you've ever seen. These exercise items are for sale, including the weights. And that's a free love seat. First come, first serve. You can have a free love seat. Pretty desk. It's only $140. And these wood solid bookcases are only $72 each. Walk to the back and take a look at this antique pine table. That's a pretty piece. Even the guest bathroom is chock full of cleaning stuff and chemicals and sponges, things you rub with. Next, we're going to run down to the basement after one more quick peek. Okay, watch your stairs going into the basement. Be careful of 2 doors too close together upstairs. Basement is a miscellaneous hodgepodge of things. I like that cabinet though. Clock. Another pretty cabinet. That's a Shark vacuum cleaner. It's a really good one. Fan. Some CDs for $1 a piece. Look at this vintage stereo system. Wow. I remember when those were new. That's how old I am. Miscellaneous items. Wooden kitchen set. Antique table. That's a nice piece. So the basement is chock full of stuff, including this Victorian armchair. Samovar. This is a great treasure hunting sale. There's stuff here that we haven't even found yet. Globe. Bench seating. There's 2 of these. Here's the other one. I'll show you a side view so you can get a feel for it. Pretty green old bench seating. And a teddy bear. Another pretty antique British cabinet. Pine, I believe. Here's the back of these benches and some more floral artwork. Christmas. Punch bowl, the obligatory punch bowl. There's always one of those. Let's see what's in this room. Oh, another storage room. If you need shelving of any kind, these are only $22 each at regular price. They're already assembled, no assembly required. There's a bunch of them. So if you need any kind of storage shelving, we got it. Pre-assembled. And if you need luggage, we got your luggage. These are really nice pieces, owned by a doctor. Luggage for every occasion. Folding bookcases, 2 of them. Those are nice. 3 of them, actually. Again, Steve from EstateMAX for Lori and the gang. We'll be here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, starting the 25th, 10 a.m. Be here for first best selection. Come see Steve and Lori and say hi. And we have a lot of stuff for you to dig through. We really do.